Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be starting a new series, and it's gonna be rebuilding this new bike. Well, it's an old bike, but it's a Suzuki RM80, and we're gonna be rebuilding it, and I'm gonna be making progress videos to make sure you guys know what's going on. We're gonna be rebuilding the engine and refurbishing all the basically we're gonna be taking this bike apart, and we're gonna be putting basically new everything on because it does not run right now. Suspension, frame, fend, whatever you want to call these, everything, make it brand new. It's a bunch of dirt, crap on it. It doesn't even run right now. Here's the Suzuki emblem. So we're about an hour in on the first day, and so we took off the gas tank, the radiator, which was right here, and then part of the exhaust. This is really rusted right here, so we couldn't get the end part of the exhaust off, but luckily it was just a little connector piece right here, so it was really easy to remove. Next up, we're just gonna probably remove the engine and then start rebuilding the engine.